In the previous episode, we explored the vibrant prefecture of Osaka, marveled at the beauty and the bustling crowds of Kyoto, and had amazing feeding session with the deer in Nara. And now we are embarking on the peaceful mountain valley of Hakone. Hakone is 2 hours away from Kyoto Station via Shinkansen. We book our Shinkansen ticket in advance through Klook. It's more user-friendly and madali rin i-claim ang ticket. This is also our first time riding the bullet train, kaya super excited kami.
Next door. Next door. Next door. Next door.
I told you just keep going. I can't.
After 2 hours of travel, we arrive at Odawara Station. Then we head straight to Odawara Sightseeing Service Center para i-claim ang Hakone 2-day pass. Pinook namin ito through Klook. This is super sulit for the only ride sa bus, trains, and gondola around Hakone. And it's much more convenient having this pass over DIY. For the luggage, maraming coin locker sa train station. And maaari rin palang mag-iwan ng luggage sa mismong office nila. They also help us to navigate going to our hotel in Hakone. After getting our pass, we head straight to bus station number 3 to catch a bus bound for Moto Hakone. After an hour and a half, we finally made it to Lake Ashi. We stayed at Hotel Musashiya, located right in front of Lake Ashi. Although the hotel is quite old, the staff is incredibly kind and friendly. We got the traditional tatami room with tables and this view facing Lake Ashi. After we check-in, lumabas muna kami to explore the town. Most of the stores here only accept cash and they close early. We planned to start our tour, but due to strong winds, everything was cancelled. So we decided to just enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Dinner is served in our room and it's a traditional Japanese food. This is our first time trying traditional Japanese style dinner and wow, sobrang dami. Hindi ko alam kung paano namin ito uubusin. But the food is great and we really enjoy it. The next day, we woke up super early to visit the Hakone Shrine. Wala ring masyadong tao ng mga oras na ito, kaya mas ma-appreciate mo talaga ang lugar. After Hakone Shrine, we head back to our hotel for breakfast, serving another traditional Japanese food. After checking out, we took our time and enjoyed a coffee at bakery and table. After our coffee fix, we were ready to ride the iconic pirate ship of Hakone. So here's the plan. We'll take the pirate ship to the other side of Lake Ashi, then ride a ropeway up to the volcanic valley of Owakodani.
Miles and miles on the clear blue skies. We drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it right.
から行ってほしいですか？チャリが。チャリが。
Olha, se eu tá aqui, se eu cair, tu também cai, tá? Mas tu também cai, tá bem alto.
You and I, heads up in the clouds, caught up with the birds flying south. Nothing to see as the day turns into night. We've got time to waste this wasted ride. We got time to waste this wasted ride.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. Even in the autumn breeze, when the trees are shaking off their leaves, you're never lost among the crowd with me.
That concludes our 2-day tour of Hakone. Even though it was crowded, we still managed to have a great time. And now we are on our way to Tokyo.